We've all met people who are actually broke, but always appear to be wealthy. They squander their hard-earned money on something extravagant or completely out of their price range. They try very hard to please people. And we all know how fake it can be in the world of social media. In this video, we will show you some of the things poor people do to appear wealthy, regardless of their financial situation. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. 1. Their car costs more than their house. You live in your house, not your car. So it's a simple math problem to determine which one should be more expensive than the other. People frequently spend lots of rupees on a car when in fact, a car is a liability and a house is an asset. Rather than purchasing an expensive vehicle to please others, you should try to invest first in a comfortable home. 2. They boast about their wealth. You will never hear a wealthy person brag about their fortune. The poor are always the ones who flaunt how little money they have. They frequently boast about their assets, which are frequently fictitious. Money is something that doesn't need to be discussed. If you're wealthy, you're probably aware of it. 3. Purchase bedazzled items. Poor people enjoy flaunting their extravagant purchases and posting them on every social media platform that is available. Whether it's an expensive dress, a pair of goggles, or their expensive Starbucks drink, they enjoy flaunting their possessions even when it's not necessary. 4. Ineffective plastic surgery and fake tans. Poor people frequently want to compete with wealthy people in any way they can. They can also get cheap plastic surgeries and fake tans, which make them look very unattractive and ruin their face and body. Plastic surgeries are one of those things that require proper treatment, and if not done correctly, can have negative consequences for you. 5. They rent or borrow cars for date nights. We've all had such friends who try to dupe others by showing them something that isn't true to their lives. They borrow or rent a car in order to go on a fancy date and impress that person with their money, which is not genuine. People who place a high value on money will never do such things. But did you know that in contrast to poor people who want to appear wealthy, there are some people who do not want to expose their wealth to the public? When signs of wealth are not immediately visible, they can be detected subtly. However, we will reveal the signs in a special video called Subtle Signs that someone is secretly filthy rich. You can find it on this channel. 6. They dress excessively. People do not grasp the concept of less is more. Overdressing is not cool because it makes you look like a shop instead of attractive. Poor people ignore this concept and try to wear everything they own to show off, resulting in a bizarre appearance. Rich people dress appropriately and prefer to keep their outfits simple. 7. The money in the bag is less than what they paid for it. Purchasing expensive items when you cannot afford them and it will cost you a fortune is the funniest idea you can do. It's very sad to receive a bag worth lots of rupees when you don't even have 1,000 rupees in your bag. People do such things to show off, but they are actually very wrong. 8. Dropping names. It means that when you mention a famous person's name in a conversation, you are acting cooler in front of other people. You are successful only when your name is sufficient for that person. It is very cheap to deliberately mention someone's name in order to gain credibility. 9. Cash. You will never see wealthy people carrying cash and flaunting it in public. We frequently see poor people flaunting their wealth. They just try so hard to stay on the pedestal when in reality, they are nowhere near the pedestal. 10. They pretend that entry-level brands are luxury brands. Coach, Diesel, Tommy Hilfiger, and Pandora are entry-level brands, not true luxury brands. They usually target middle-class people, but they pay a little more for the privilege of appearing cool and flashy in front of others. True luxury brands are not for these people, and they certainly cannot afford them. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. Also, let us know what video references you want to see in future videos. 11. They serve as walking billboards for businesses. Poor people frequently focus on flaunting the various brands they wear, whereas rich people are unconcerned about such things. These brands actually use poor people to advertise their products by flashing the brand names, and they gladly do so. In reality, your individuality is more important than the brand you wear. Finally, A Nice Place in a Bad Neighborhood. It discusses the environment in which you live. Poor people spend more time at home, whereas rich people are always focused on the view. Remember that your environment has the power to shape your future, so take advantage of it. That brings us to the end of our list. Before we go, we would like to share some wise words from our very own Warren Buffett. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Do not expect it from cheap people. We could not agree more with this, right? The richer you are, the less you feel the need to lie, because there is less at stake in terms of personal image. So the more solid you are as an individual, as a business, or as a brand, the less need for creative embellishments in your narrative. If you're looking to grow, always start with the truth. If you had fun watching this video, know that all of the information you received today is only a glimpse of what it's truly like to live a life of luxury. We have tons more videos for you to explore, so you can learn more about the world of the wealthy. Go check out our other content in the channel, and make sure to share our videos to your friends and family who you think will also enjoy them. Go ahead and check it out. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!